Mumbai, the city of dreams, where millions of people come to pursue their ambitions and aspirations. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state, the financial and entertainment hub of India, and one of the most populous and diverse cities in the world. In this video, we will explore Mumbai's history, culture, attractions, and challenges. Mumbai lies on the west coast of India, along the Arabian Sea. It has a deep natural harbor that has facilitated trade and commerce for centuries. Mumbai was originally a group of 7 islands that were inhabited by fishing communities. The islands were ruled by various dynasties, such as the Mauryas, the Chalukyas, the Rashtrakutas, the Silharas, and the Yadavas, before being conquered by the Delhi Sultanate in the 14th century. In 1534, Mumbai was ceded to the Portuguese by the Sultan of Gujarat. The Portuguese called it Bombahia, meaning Good Bay. They built forts, churches, and monasteries on the islands. In 1661, Mumbai was given to the British as part of the dowry of Catherine of Braganza, who married King Charles II of England. The British renamed it Bombay and made it their main trading post in India. Under British rule, Bombay grew rapidly as a center of commerce, industry, and education. The British also undertook massive engineering projects to connect the 7 islands into one landmass by reclaiming land from the sea. Bombay became a cosmopolitan city that attracted migrants from different parts of India and abroad. It also became a hotbed of political and social movements that shaped India's struggle for independence. After India gained independence in 1947, Bombay continued to prosper as a major economic and cultural center. It also witnessed waves of migration from rural areas and neighboring states, especially after the creation of Maharashtra state in 1960. Bombay became home to people from various religions, languages, castes, and communities who contributed to its rich and vibrant culture. Bombay also became the birthplace and hub of Bollywood, the Hindi film industry that produces hundreds of movies every year. Bollywood is one of the largest and most influential film industries in the world, with a global audience and fan base. Bollywood movies reflect the diversity, creativity, and glamour of Mumbai's culture. In 1995, Bombay was officially renamed Mumbai, after Mumba Devi, the patron goddess of the city. Mumbai is now an Alpha World city that connects India with the global economic network. It is home to some of the most prestigious institutions and corporations in India, such as the Reserve Bank of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange, Tata Group, Reliance Industries, and many others. Mumbai is also a tourist destination that offers a variety of attractions for visitors. Some of the most famous landmarks in Mumbai are the Gateway of India, a monumental arch that was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary in 1911. It is also a symbol of India's independence from British rule. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, formerly known as Victoria Terminus, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is one of the most stunning examples of Gothic Revival architecture in India. It is also one of the busiest railway stations in India. The Elephanta Caves, another UNESCO World Heritage Site that consists of rock-cut temples and sculptures dating back to the 5th to 8th centuries CE. They are dedicated to Hindu gods Shiva and Parvati. The Marine Drive, a 3-kilometer-long boulevard that runs along the coast and offers a panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. It is also known as the Queen's Necklace because of its curved shape and glittering lights at night. The Haji Ali Dargah, a mosque and tomb that is located on an islet off the coast. It is one of the most revered shrines for Muslims in India and attracts thousands of pilgrims every day. Besides these landmarks, Mumbai also has many other attractions such as museums, art galleries, theaters, parks, beaches, markets, and nightlife that cater to different tastes and interests. However, Mumbai is not without its challenges. The city faces problems such as overcrowding, pollution, traffic, poverty, slums, crime, and social inequality. Mumbai also has to deal with the threat of natural disasters such as floods, cyclones, and earthquakes. Mumbai is a city that constantly strives to overcome its difficulties and improve its quality of life. Mumbai is a city that never sleeps, a city that never stops, a city that never gives up. Mumbai is a city that inspires, a city that entertains, a city that welcomes. Mumbai is a city that has something for everyone, a city that has a story for everyone, a city that has a dream for everyone. Mumbai is a city that you will never forget. Thank you for watching this video about Mumbai City. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.